Hi everyone! I'm going to the laundry today. The laundry is located on basement 1 floor. I'm going to take the elevator at gate 12. When you get to the basement 1 floor, you can find the laundry right away. You can wash and store clothes there. Then, see you again. Bye!